I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: a Firebase real-time database, an App Inventor project, and the web component. First, copy your database URL and token. You need them to authenticate calls. Then, in App Inventor Designer, add a web component and a list view for results. Once done, set the web component's URL to your Firebase endpoint /JSON. This begins the direct data flow. Make sure your database rules allow reads for testing, so you can fetch immediately. Now you'll create the blocks that fetch and parse data. Use web. URL set to the full Firebase JSON endpoint, then call web. Get. In web, got text, check the response code to ensure success. If it's 200, proceed. Decode the JSON text into a list or dictionary, then extract keys and values to populate your list view. You do this because Firebase returns nested structures. Decoding gives you usable lists. Make sure to handle empty responses and convert numbers or booleans to text. Finish by adding UI controls, a refresh button that calls web, get, and a status label for errors. For sending data, use web. Post text to the node-specific /JSON endpoint with a JSON string payload. This ensures proper structure in Firebase. Once done, verify updates appear in Firebase console. If something fails, inspect web. Response content and response code, confirm the exact database URL and authentication token, and check your Firebase rules. Most issues are either wrong URL paths or permission denials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.